Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install TradingView on your system, first of all you need to install the snap. Snaps are discoverable and installable from the Snap store. Run the following command to install the snap. After that, run the following queries to install the Snap Core and TradingView. Once installation is finished, you can go into your desktop and search on the system search bar by typing TradingView or by icon. After that, TradingView will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.